out here today with Rebuilding Together of Hampton Roads for National Rebuilding Day. So this is a nationwide event for Rebuilding Together. And we're partnering today on Mrs. Melton's house with Ferguson to be able to do some safety repairs. So our work is based in critical repair, home preservation, making sure especially a lot of our older adults in the community can age in place. So you can see they're working on the stairs right now. We're making sure that the wobbly brick is getting taken care of and replacing it with a handrail so that she is nice and safe and can leave stably as she exits her home. And they've also been working on some yard work to clean some things up, replacing a back door that's been rotted a little bit. So really just making sure that the repairs are keeping the home safe.
We are helping Mr. Warren. We're here volunteering and cleaning up his home. We have quite a bit of debris in the back. We were able to get the services of the junk luggers, right? We brought our truck, and we actually are taking this stuff to a local recovery operations center in Newport, and they're going to allow us to dump all the brush there.